Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name in Battlefield 6. Now this process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So the first thing you need to know is that you actually cannot change your name inside the Battlefield 6 game menu itself. This is because your in-game name is directly tied to your global EA ID. So to change your name in Battlefield, we actually need to update your entire EA account profile through your web browser. Now what you will do is just simply open your web browser on your computer and just simply type myaccount.ea.com, which you can see right over here. Then you will be asked to sign in. So what you do is enter your email address and password. And then once you're logged into your account page, look for a tab called Account Information. And right near the top, you will see an option called EA ID. And underneath, you'll find your current username. Now over there, you should be able to see an option called Edit. Click on that option and a pop-up will appear where a verification code has been sent to your linked email address. So click on Send Code and go and check your email now. And as you can see, this is the code that you will get. Once you get the code, paste it right over here and click on Submit. Now the Edit option should appear in front of you, and now type whatever name you want right over here. Once you have added your new name, click on Save, and then, as you can see, your name has been changed. Okay, and that's it. The next time you launch Battlefield 6 or any other EA game, your new name will automatically appear on the scoreboard. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.